And if I say that silk industry, I said around it is based on mulberry, muga, tasar, eri. These are the four silkworms are there. These are the four silkworm. And these are going on cocoon tree, silkworm is growing. On cocoon tree, silkworm is growing. Understood? And on the cocoon tree, and this process that the different they are वो cocoon tree को खाते हैं, and by जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा होगा there is an spiders used to also give some kind of, I said that outside some fibers. Similarly, this silkworm, I said that mulberry, muga, tasar, eri, they also give some kind of, what is it, I said that fibers, and these fibers are very strong. Therefore, we are using it. Understood? तो इसके भी thread काफी strong बन जाते हैं. Yarn quality, it is very good. And this process is known as, I said that sericulture. This process is known as, I said that sericulture. This process is known as sericulture. And in India, if we can be able to see, I said that in India, there is a Karnataka. I said that Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, these are the countries which are, I said, states which are at number 1, number 2, number 3. And then West Bengal, little bit Bihar and Assam, and then Jammu and Kashmir, we are also growing, but historically we are growing. Understood? So I said that Karnataka, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and then Jammu and Kashmir, some Assam and Bihar. We are growing in the region of, I said that Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand. I said that where we are growing this silk, I said that Karnataka, where? Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, J&K, and Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand. And then 70% of the production and 70% of the industries, it is in Karnataka, southern Karnataka, southern Karnataka. In the southern Karnataka that we are able to grow, I said that largest amount of what I said that silk. Understood? So the Bangalore, Mysore, Mandya and different districts are there that there are a large amount of what is an industrialization of silk industry. And then Andhra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, J&K and all. So, yaad ho gaya ye. Next one that we are going to see, like I said that, so इसके लिए cocoon trees और इसमें आप tropical region, subtropical region, कहीं भी आप grow कर सकते हैं. You can grow in any region, tropical, subtropical region में. ये कीड़ा है simply, तो कीड़ा that is it has to grow in a particular, and then It is, I said that it grows like, and I said that cottage industry. It is generally cottage, and I said that is small scale industry. It grows like which industries? Not very large scale industries. So जब हमने silk और मिल रहा है, so I said that it is grows like in a cottage industry first. Understood? And if you'll come in India, if you'll see the data, India is producing 18% of the world. 18% of world production. And it comes at second position after China. और सबसे आपको पता है सिल्क रूट हमेशा चाइना, you know that it is number one in the silk. After China, India comes at the second position, and India is producing 18% of the world production. Understood? But no export, we are facing itself shortage. हम लोग क्या है फेस कर रहे हैं शॉर्टेज. वी आर इट सेल्फ फेसिंग व्हाट आई सेड दैट शॉर्टेज. अंडरस्टूड? itself, we are facing itself shortage. And it is providing, I said, employment directly, indirectly to around 7 lakh people. तो इसका मतलब यदि हम लोग एक्सपोर्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं तो फॉरेक्स तो आएगा ही नहीं. यस और नो? देयर इज नो फॉरेक्स. तो आई हैव सेड अर्लियर कि देयर इज 3 इंडस्ट्रीज आर देयर इन टेक्सटाइल, कॉटन, जूट एंड ऑल. आई सेड दैट सिल्क एंड वुलन. वुलन में भी हम लोग एक्सपोर्ट नहीं करते, इंपोर्ट ही करते रहते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? सिल्क में भी हम लोग एक्सपोर्ट तो कर ही नहीं रहे हैं, हमारी शॉर्टेज है, प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा है, बट फिर भी it is shortage as far as our consumption is concerned. And then jute, you know that what is the condition it is. I said that the jute may, there is an, I said that no variety, less utilizable, production is only in the limited areas. So only large amount of forex coming in India that I have talked the first day. Textile industry may it is 25% and the largest contribution only by the cotton itself. And world को हम लोग कपड़ा पहना रहे हैं. 1/4 of what is in a world is having an what cotton of India. So I said that silk industry के बारे में समझ में आ गया. Which states? कर्नाटका, आंध्र, तमिलनाडु, वेस्ट बंगाल. And if you see that India produces variety of silk called mulberry, muga, tassar, eri based on feeding habit of the cocoons. कौन से cocoon खाने वाले हैं उसके basis पे. The sericulture industry today in India employs around 7 lakh farm families and mostly concentrated in Karnataka, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, and to some extent in the Assam, West Bengal, comparatively less. Karnataka accounts more than 70% of the total silk production, and India's silk industry is second largest producer of silk, contributing about 18% of the world production. More noteworthy is the fact that India's requirement of raw silk is much higher at domestic market than its current production at present. So हम लोग खुद ही कंज्यूम कर जा रहे हैं. So there is a considerable scope for stepping up production of raw silk in the country itself. तो हमारे को खुद ही अभी जरूरत है, हम लोग शॉर्टेज में, so we should produce. It need to overcome the persistent conflict of interest between exporters of silk products and producer of रॉ सिल्क. जो रॉ सिल्क कर रहा है वो अपने यहाँ पे डिमांड अच्छा रहा जा रहा है, तो लोग एक्सपोर्ट कहाँ से करेंगे. सो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता ही रहता है. एंड सिल्क व्हाट इज यदि देखा जाए इंडिया में सिल्क इंडस्ट्री ऑक्यूपाइज वन ऑफ द यूनिक पोजीशन. हाउ एंड व्हाई? टुडे इंडिया सब कॉम्पोनेंट इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट सिल्क मैन्युफैक्चरर इन द वर्ल्ड and 80% of the silk production. This is clear, this fact. Second, sericulture is an important in the which industry? Cottage and small scale industries. एंड दिस इज अ लेबर इंडस्ट्री, मतलब छोटे से काम में बहुत लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, तो गुड एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज अवेलेबल. दिस इज लेबर इंटेंसिव इंडस्ट्री ऑपरेटिंग एट अराउंड 54,000 विलेजेस ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. हाउ मेनी विलेजेस वी है? 6 लाख. कितने विलेजेस इंडिया में? अराउंड 6 लाख. उसमें से 1/12 village is what involved in sericulture. So this is a labor intensive industry operating around 54,000 villages all over the country, and assortment of silk variety as this. The industry is generous enough and providing job opportunity and livelihood for more than 6 million people in the rural areas. 7 lakh people farmers. Understood? And then I said that other ways में silk industry में जितने भी involved लोग हैं, somewhere it is around 60 lakh, 6 million people. So we are finished with the silk industry. Okay, and the next one that we are going to see is sugar industry in India. Understood? Sugar industry in India. First we have to see, like I said, that what are the conditions required for sugar. I said that it is in a first tropical grass. It is in a tropical grass. Sugar cane is a tropical grass, and therefore it cannot grow in the temperate zone. और temperate zone में भी sugar mills होंगे. वहाँ पे किस चीज़ से sugar mill बनाते हैं? जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं खाओ, हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है. इसीलिए कभी भी डायबिटीज पर्सन को बीट नहीं खाने के लिए बोलते हैं, चलिए चुकंदर. वहाँ पे टेम्परेट रीजन में शुगर बीट से क्या बनता है? शुगर. एंड और ये तो आई सेड दैट डायबिटीज पर्सन के लिए लोग ये चीजें, दीज आर द थिंग्स सपोज टू बी पॉइजन. The sugar can be, that is when I said that it should grow in the temperature of around 20 to 26 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature? I said temperature requirement. I said that sugar needs temperature requirement around 20 to 26 degrees Celsius. Sugar, if I am talking about sugar cane, should produce in the temperature of 20 to 26 degrees Celsius. And I said that it should be grow, the rainfall, average rainfall should be 150 centimeter. How much? What should be the average rainfall? What should be the average rainfall? 150 centimeter. What should be? 150 centimeter. And then soil should be, I said that alluvium, or better to say little, it should be clay also. Alluvium with clay or clay. A little, better to say clay. Okay. These are the conditions required for the growth of sugar cane. That is a kind of tropical grass. It is a kind of tropical grass. This point is clear to you? Yes. It is what? Tropical grass. The sugar cane. But if you see that, if I am talking about, this is an, I said that 23.5 degree, and this is 0 degree latitude, and above it is, I said that this is tropic, and this is in a subtropical region. If I am growing in this region, the temperature will be, throughout the year, the temperature will be 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 30, ऐसा ही कुछ बना रहेगा. Temperature will be in good amount. So in this reason I said that sugar cane जो होगा उसमें sucrose content will be high, And in the subtropical region, I said that there is a sucrose content.